DIY Home Improvement Crash Course, Tiling and Grouting. Introduction. Welcome to the DIY Home Improvement Crash Course. In this module, we will explore the art of tiling and grouting, transforming your spaces with beautiful and durable surfaces. Tiling is a versatile skill that can be applied to various areas of your home, including floors, walls, and backsplashes. Grouting, on the other hand, is the finishing touch that enhances the appearance and ensures the longevity of your tiled surfaces. In this crash course, we will share interesting stories, provide an overview of the top 12 tiling and grouting techniques, and equip you with the skills to tackle your own tiling projects. Let's dive into the world of tiles and create stunning spaces. Stories and examples. 1. The Kitchen Backsplash. Imagine revamping your kitchen by installing a vibrant mosaic tile backsplash. The tiles bring a pop of color and personality to the space, transforming it into a focal point that reflects your style and creativity. 2. The Bathroom Oasis. Picture yourself creating a serene bathroom oasis by tiling the shower walls with large format porcelain tiles. The clean lines and seamless surfaces not only elevate the aesthetic but also provide a practical solution for water resistance. Top 12 tiling and grouting techniques. 1. Surface preparation, ensuring the surface is clean, level, and free of debris before tiling. 2. Tile layout, planning the tile placement to achieve a visually pleasing pattern and proper alignment. 3. Cutting tiles, utilizing tile cutters, wet saws, or tile nippers to achieve accurate tile cuts. 4. Adhesive application, applying tile adhesive or mortar evenly and in the right consistency for proper adhesion. 5. Tile installation, placing the tiles carefully, pressing them into the adhesive, and maintaining consistent spacing. 6. Grout selection, choosing the right grout color and type based on the desired aesthetic and tile spacing. 7. Grout mixing, mixing the grout according to the manufacturer's instructions, ensuring a smooth and lump-free consistency. 8. Grout application, applying grout evenly into the tile joints, using a grout float and working at a 45-degree angle. 9. Grout cleaning, removing excess grout from the tile surface with a damp sponge and rinsing frequently. 10. Grout sealing, applying grout sealer after the grout has cured to protect it from stains and moisture. 11. Tile edge finishing, installing edge trims or bullnose tiles to create a clean and polished look. 12. Tile maintenance, regularly cleaning and maintaining tiled surfaces to preserve their appearance and longevity. Summarization. Tiling and grouting are essential skills for transforming your home surfaces into stunning works of art. By understanding the top 12 techniques, you can confidently embark on your tiling projects, from kitchen backsplashes to bathroom floors. Remember to pay attention to surface preparation, take care in tile installation and grout application, and properly maintain your tiled surfaces for long-lasting beauty. Poem. Tiles, like brushstrokes on a canvas, they lay, transforming spaces in an artistic display. From kitchen backsplashes to bathroom walls. Tiling and grouting, beauty enthralls. Prepare the surface, smooth and clean. With precision, tile layout, a visual scene. Cutting tiles, like a sculptor's hand. Fitting the pieces, a masterpiece grand. Adhesive applied, secure and strong. Tiles carefully placed, where they belong. Grout, the magic in between. Sealing the spaces, a flawless sheen. Mixing the grout, a delicate dance. Applying it gently, in every crevice, a chance. Cleaning the excess, with sponge and care. Revealing the beauty, beyond compare. Seal the grout, protect and defend. Against stains and moisture, a steadfast friend. Edge trims and finishes, details refined. A finished space, tranquility defined. Maintenance, a task to uphold. Preserving the beauty, never growing old. With tiling and grouting, a DIY embrace. Create spaces that reflect your grace. Song. Verse 1. In a world of tiles, we find our way. Tiling and grouting, where dreams play. From floors to walls, we transform the scene. A DIY journey, where beauty convenes. Chorus. Tiles and grout, a dance of design. Creating spaces, oh so divine. With precision and care, we lay each tile. In our home improvement style. Verse 2. Surface preparation, a crucial start. Level and clean, a work of art. Tile layout, a visual delight. Patterns and shapes, shining bright. Chorus. Tiles and grout, a dance of design. Creating spaces, oh so divine. With precision and care, we lay each tile. In our home improvement style. Bridge. Cutting tiles, with tools in hand. Creating shapes, as we expand. Adhesive applied, a bond so strong. Tiles placed right, where they belong. Chorus. Tiles and grout, a dance of design. Creating spaces, oh so divine. With precision and care, we lay each tile. In our home improvement style. Outro? Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.